Hi guys, today we are going to install Tomcat on Windows 11. So first of all search for Tomcat download and open the first website, this one. And here we can see several choices. Today we are going to use the Windows Service Installer. So click on it and when the download is complete, open the file and the installer will open in front of you. So accept the license agreement and then we can configure our server. We can set up our shutdown port. So connecting to this port, we can shut down the Tomcat. We can also set the administration login. Click on next, and then the installation will start. Then, when the installation process finished, click on this, and Tomcat should be already running. In fact, if we search for localhost 8 at the port 8080, we should see the Tomcat main page. Also, you can open the service page on your Windows computer, and you can see that the Apache Tomcat is already running. So you can click on it, stop, or restart the service. Now, if you want, for example, to change some configuration, like the port to which you can't connect, go on Program Files. Now, if you want to change the port, you can go to the connector tag and change this port to, for example, 888. Save the file, then open the service and restart the Tomcat service. Once the web server is running again, open again this page and type the port 8888, and as you can see, the Apache is still running at this port.